this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer here. One of our students got placed recently. He will share some experience.
Hi, I am JOHNSUNDARSINGH. I am from Tamil Nadu. 2024 passed out. My degree is BCom CA. I am joining in PySpiders in a month of September 16. I will join and
Classes. Regarding classes,
I attend the Manual Plus and APT and SQL and Python Plus. Its teaching is very good and it's a
boot camp.
boot camp and presentation is it's improve my English. Before coming to Bangalore, I not speak a little bit also. I did not speak in English. Now I little bit I improve and it's a grooming. It's teaching everything also. Everything it's come asking for an interview. It's
Congratulations, all the best.